the average where the average salary is greater than 70,000, then what will I do? Generally you will say we will use a where clause, right? I can write where, what are we using? Average salary, right? Where average salary is greater than 70,000, right? This is what we can do, but it will throw error again. Why? It is showing incorrect syntax. Okay. Even if you write here like this, it will still show you incorrect, right? Why? Because we cannot use the where clause. We cannot use the where clause with aggregated function. Okay, where clause is for normal functions and not your aggregated function. So what we will do? We have the having clause. So what is having clause? Similar to the where clause, but it is used to filter data after grouping. So instead of where, you have to write having average salary greater than 70,000. Invalid. Okay, let me just write this is the aggregate directly here. Okay. So we can see that now we are getting only these two values where the average is greater than 70,000. So this is having is a filter that is used with aggregated functions. You cannot use the where clause when we are dealing with the aggregated functions. So if this is clear to you, one simple question for you is to find the total salary for each department, but only show departments where the total salary is greater than 200,000. Okay, so where the total salary is greater than 2 lakhs, only show me those departments. Okay, so can you do this question? Just try it. I will give you 5 to 10 minutes. Try this question. Let me know in the chat box if you don't get any clue, then I will explain it to you, but I think you would be able to do this. So I'll give you 5 minutes. Try this. Also, let me just copy paste this in the chat box, and I will just remove this from here from the time being. Okay, let me just copy this, paste it here, and remove the group by having from here so you do not get confused. And so I'll put the aggregate function in chat box also for you to practice if you want to, and you can solve this question and let me know when you're done. Copy paste here and let us see. So select department ID sum as total salary from employee group by and having, and we get the total, right? One more thing that you can do, if you want to, you can do a order by total salary. Okay, it's TOTSL, right? Dot sal. So you can even order it by, and instead of this, it will just change the order of that, which is completely up to you if you want to, but not a compulsion as question में mention नहीं है कि order by करना है, so you can leave this also, right? So that would be all for today, guys. I think we have covered a lot of topics today. So go through them, revise them, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next lecture also. Doubt solving session में भी आप पूछ सकते हैं. And anything that you want to ask, any questions, I'll wait for you. I'm not ending the session, so I am here. Any question, any doubts?
Just want to confirm, can we choose more than one column in group by section?
Okay, so you are saying, let us say you want it by department and employee ID. You are saying like this.
Yes.
We can. But what it will do? Okay, I'll show you how it will change the things. What it will do? It will again do the same thing as it was doing with the distinct column. So होगा क्या, इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिएटिंग डिफरेंट ग्रुप डिपार्टमेंट और एम्प्लॉय के, कंबाइन करके बना देगा, जो मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था ना, दैट 1 AB to AC, if you remember that. So होगा
Yes,
क्या,
yes.
instead of creating one group and AB as a different group, it will create one AB as a group, two AC as a group, three AB as a group. So then both of them, if they are having different values, it will group it by. But here, as you know, employee ID is unique. We are getting 10 different groups with their salary as their total salary, right? But if it was some repeating values, we could have gotten different values. We will do this grouping and using different IDs, like different columns in some questions that we will do. So it will get better. So as of now, we have just used concepts separately. Like we are studying aggregated function, then we are studying operator, then we are studying group by having where clause. But when we will do questions in coming part, we will not have this thing that we have to do this, we have to do this. It would be multiply. Like we will use a where clause, we will use a aggregated function and a group by and a join. We will use a order by and a group by. So these kind of things would be combined when we would be doing the questions, and then we will understand, okay, this is the use of these kind of things, right? But first of all, we have to build up on the basics. That is why we are going one step at a time.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Any other questions in the same in today's session, or any SQL related general, any question, any doubts, guys? Okay, I'm sensing there are none. So I think that would be all from my end also today, guys. Thank you for